Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 2014 Ford Escape wipers is probably one of the most overlooked car parts, but replacing them can dramatically improve your driving experience, especially in bad weather. This video will take an in-depth look at what makes a great wiper blade for your 2014 Ford Escape, helping you choose the perfect ones to ensure clear visibility and safety on the road, no matter the conditions. Number 5. Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 Wipers. Experience the future of wiper technology with Rain-X Latitude. It's a 2-in-1 wiper blade that cleans and repels water, all in one easy step. These wipers have a special formula that applies Rain-X directly to your windshield. This helps water bead up and roll off, giving you a clearer view. Enjoy superior driving visibility and safety in all weather conditions. Watch as water beads up and rolls right off your windshield. Installation is a breeze. They fit 96% of vehicles, and you can even scan a QR code for helpful video instructions. The advanced design ensures even pressure across the entire blade, providing a smooth, clean wipe every time, even on curved windshields. It's built to handle anything Mother Nature throws at you, from rain and snow to ice and sleet. Get superior wipe performance that lasts. Remember to remove the yellow squeegee cover after installation for optimal performance. Failure to do so will prevent it from working properly. What we like. This wiper blade applies a patented water repellent formula directly to your windshield, providing superior all-weather visibility and safety. Its universal adapter makes installation a breeze. If you prioritize clear vision and easy installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Installed, they fit perfectly, keep the windshield completely clean, don't have that annoying dragging sound on partially wet glass and haven't been chewed apart by the Michigan ice. These wiper blades feature Rain-X's patented water repellent technology, which applies a coating to the windshield, causing water to bead up and roll off. This significantly improves visibility during rainstorms. The beam blade design ensures even pressure across the windshield, providing a smooth and streak-free wipe. Perfect fit every time, easy to replace, and very durable. Wipes the windshield clean with one swipe to remove pollen, and when you run the windshield washer it cleans your windshield very good. The build and adapters make it a very easy install. Number 4. TRICO Gold Wiper Blades. These premium wiper blades provide superior cleaning power in any weather condition. Enjoy a clear view of the road, rain or shine, for safer driving. Installation is a snap with the easy one-click connection. They fit snugly to your windshield for a perfect seal. These blades are rigorously tested to withstand over 1.5 million cycles. They're built to last and maintain peak performance. The one-piece structure prevents snow and ice from clogging, ensuring clear visibility even in harsh winter conditions. No more struggling with frozen wipers. These blades are designed to fit a variety of vehicles, including select Ford, Dodge, Chrysler, Mercedes-Benz, Kia, and Cadillac models. Check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. These premium beam blades provide complete visibility in any weather condition, and their one-click connection makes installation quick and easy. If you need reliable performance in all types of weather and want a simple installation process, this is a great option. What people say. Highly recommend these as they are a perfect fit, easy to install, long-lasting. Great wipers, easy to install on my 2017 Ram. They work great in the Montana snow and rain, leaving my windshield clear and no streaking. What a huge difference from buying Costco individually. These showed up in single, well-wrapped and had guard covering rubber before install. Perhaps why they stay fresh and work so well. Number 3. Ford Escape Wiper Blade Set. Say goodbye to streaky windshields. This wiper blade set is a perfect replacement for your Ford Escape or Kuga, ensuring clear visibility in any weather. It's a 100% brand new, perfect replacement for your original equipment part. Enjoy the same quality and performance you expect. This set fits Ford Escape models from 2013 to 2019 and Ford Kuga models from 2012 to 2018. Make sure your wiper arms use a pinch tab design. You get 3 wipers in this set, 2 28-inch blades and one 11-inch rear blade. Everything you need for a complete replacement. Replacing your old wipers has never been easier. It's quick, simple, and requires no special tools. With these new wipers, you'll have consistently clear vision, no matter the conditions. Drive with confidence and peace of mind. What we like. It's a perfect replacement for your original equipment wipers, offering a simple installation process and a complete set for your vehicle. If you're looking for a straightforward, cost-effective replacement that matches your car's original design, this is a good choice. What people say. They're very easy to install, they clip right on in a matter of seconds. The front wipers were really easy to install. These wipers were the exact fit for my 2012 Ford Escape. Took me seconds to install, no messing around with adapters. Snaps in place perfectly. Cleans windshield very well without any chatter whatsoever. Number 2. Factory wiper blades for Ford. Upgrade your Ford's wipers today. These blades are designed for a superior, streak-free clean, no matter the weather. They're a perfect fit for a range of Ford models, including Escape, Edge, Focus, and Fusion. Check the description for your specific year and model. Installation is a breeze. This complete set includes two 28-inch blades for both the driver and passenger sides. Experience a significant improvement in wiping performance. These blades provide a clean sweep, even in heavy rain or snow. These durable blades are built with a longer, thicker base and reinforced buckles for lasting performance and quiet operation. Enjoy a smooth, streak-free ride. Please ensure these blades are compatible with your wiper arm type before purchasing. They are designed for pinch tab wiper arms, not UJ hook arms. What we like. These high-quality replacement blades offer a long-lasting, stable, and quiet wiping experience in all weather conditions. If you value durability and a smooth, quiet wipe, this is a solid option. Number 1. AUTOBOO Ford Escape Wipers. Upgrade your Ford Escape with AUTOBOO wipers. Enjoy superior performance and safety on the road, rain or shine. These wipers are custom designed for your Ford Escape, ensuring a snug fit and optimal performance. They're a direct replacement for your old blades. With 1,500 pressure points, it provides a smooth, quiet, and streak-free wipe every time. Enjoy enhanced visibility and a safer driving experience. These wipers are built to withstand any weather condition. They're designed for long life and reliable performance, season after season. Installation is quick and easy. They attach securely to your wiper arms using the pinch tab system, just like the original parts. This set includes 3 wipers, one for the left, one for the right, and one for the rear of your vehicle. Everything you need for complete coverage. We offer 24/7 online support and a 6-month return policy. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. These wipers deliver OEM quality performance in all weather conditions, and are easy to install. If you want a reliable, easy-to-install replacement that performs like the original, this is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.